Hi everyone, welcome back to Diamond Paints Remote. Today we've got a Temu unboxing from Temu and we're going to be getting into it. This actually came to the in-post locker, which was quite nice, and it came like that, so I'm just hoping everything's in there. I haven't opened it, as you can see. It's all, intact and stuff, but I think they've had a fight with the plastic seal thing. So let's get into this. Now this is, let me just, yeah, we've got one diamond painting item in here and one thing that is not diamond painting. This is the movie related diamond painting that I was telling you about. So we'll get into here, into the package. Sorry, the painting's here, so I don't want to cut into that bit. So let's see if we can get through there. And oh, this looks really good. Like literally, I'm so happy for this painting right now. But let's show you what we've got first of all. And in here, I got this little sign because my mum's birthday is coming up and I'm trying to find things for her birthday. And this was the thing I purchased, which was a wooden sign. And on that sign, it says, it's really lovely actually, you get a piece of string to put through there and hold it up. But it says on there, it's like wooden, but it says, not only are you the best mum in the world, you are the best nanny too, because she is a nanny to my nephew Teddy. So I think that's going to look really nice, and it's a lovely wording and stuff, isn't it? And really lovely. I love the flowers going around, but it's just, words can mean a great thing, it's just so special, and I love the way it's got like little love hearts. But now it's Valentine's, I'm sort of like, do I give it now or do I give it because I'm filming this in February, but I did plan to give it to her on her birthday, which is a couple of months away, but I'm not sure. What do you guys think? Let me know what you think. Then what you do is you just pop this through here, just tie yourself a knot in the top. This would be quite nice to put in the garden, obviously in a nice summer's day, or if you've got a place in your garden where it's a bit sheltery, you could do that. What I'm going to do is just make an incision and just cut that off, just shorten that a bit. And then as you can see, you've got your little sign, but that is just so lovely, isn't it? Really beautiful. So that's the first thing I got, and this is, I cannot believe this. This was on a recommendation, and as you know, I love E.T. the extraterrestrial movie. It's such a fantastic movie, and you can already see his eye here. And this came up, and oh my days, there was no joking about it. I had to have it, like literally had to have it. It was a bit expensive at £3 something, but it is a 30 times 40. I can't get it out. But look at, oh my god, look at his face. Like, I love how they've put that in there with his eyes looking at you. And oh my god, the print, look at that print. Oh my days, this is going to be a good one. Oh wow. So in here we've got our standard boat with the wax and the jewels, but oh my days, considering this is from Temu, we know Temu is quite cheap. Look at that, guys. Oh my god, it's E.T. von home. With his finger, and he goes, E.T. von home. But this is beautiful. Look at the print. You cannot get that any clearer, can you? I mean, this is absolutely superb. He's got his lovely, this is his heart, because in the film, the aliens go off in their spaceship and they accidentally leave E.T. phone home. So all he keeps on saying is E.T. phone home and pointing to the sky. I can see this is going to be quite a lot of colour block because this 7 is all the way round the page, all up here as well. You've got the little spaceship, that's the little spaceship where they went off and abandoned E.T. At the end of the film, you see them come back for him. And then obviously this, I think, is the moon. And then you've got like a little tree as well. But oh my days, I was a bit wondering how this would turn out, but they've done a fantastic job. They really have. And to have the eyes diamond painted as well, I think obviously once the black's on, that's really going to shine up with the light bulb on his finger, and also on the heart as well. But they've got that lovely incorporation of a night sky and then the shadow of there. But this is fantastic. I absolutely love this. Let's check the stick. Yeah, this is going to be a beautiful one to do, because I want to do like a movie theme. So when this popped up, this is going to kickstart it. Absolutely over the moon with this. I absolutely love it. Oh man, that is beautiful. Love it. Okay, so let's put that to one side. We then got our, obviously, the standard tray. And then we got ourselves the grills. Okay, lovely. So that's quite cool. Lots of lovely colours in this one. And you can see here, it's so lovely to, because I now send it to the in-post locker, and it's just so lovely not to have to travel over to get it. So we got the sort of coffee colour, browny colour, dark brown, and orange, a dark orange. We've also got ourselves an orange, a sort of peachy colour, a sort of creamy colour, a grey, a red, a sort of blue. Oh wow, we've got oh gosh, we've got 4 packs. No, we've not. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's going to be your colour block session. That's 7 I was telling you about. You've got a brown, lovely orange there. That's probably going to be for his finger and his heart, maybe. Or it might be that red there. And then we've got ourselves a brown, a red, a grey, and a grey. Absolutely beautiful. Now, that is the end of the unboxing. So once again, we've got ET phone home, and we've also got this lovely little plaque that says, not only are you the best mum in the world, you are the best nanny too. So if you're a mum and you are a nan, get yourself one of these, or your children, get yourself like one of these for your mum, and you know, that'll make a lovely gift, won't it? So yeah, really happy with that. And I'm trying to get head started, because I always leave it far too late, and then it's like one mad rush. So but yeah, I'm really happy with that. I cannot tell you how happy I am with that. Absolutely over the moon with that. Thank you very much for watching. We've got more Temu coming soon. Take care, and we'll see you next time. Bye bye.